Okay, I'm going to try extending the head off of this shaft of this Johnson trolling motor, and so I can control it from the steering wheel area. Inside the head there are 3 wires that go down the shaft and a 4th one. The 3 that hook up to the switch here are red, green and white, and then green. And then inside this switch here that pulls left and right, there's a black wire right there that I'm going to cut. That also goes to the shaft, so a total of 4 wires go to the shaft. And by going to the shaft, I mean they go down to the motor, down at the bottom. Okay, I had to disconnect 3 wires off of the switch here that were soldered in, and 1 off this reverse switch. So now the head is completely disconnected from the shaft. And so now I can put an extension on. I have taken the Johnson trolling motor and extended the wires out of the head through a conduit and over to the shaft, which is connected down to the trolling motor, and the other 2 leads to the battery. Now put it on speed 1 and the motor runs. Speed 2, 3. Awesome. And this can be utilized for when you have a steering wheel and then you want to put a trolling motor on instead of an expensive electric motor with the controller. You just use your trolling motor head and extend the wires. I use a heavy service cable, and I will use heavy wires as well for the heavy gauge wires for the battery. I have the Johnson trolling motor going and steering it on the pontoon boat. There's the hookup for the steering, left and right. Running pretty good. All aboard.